Hello everyone, today we talk about continue a lecture about the Chinese character with the sound bao. First one, you have the three character, 1, 2, 3, bao. The second one, the 1, bao, okay. The third one has 5, bao. The first one has the 5, 2, bao, okay. There is no Chinese character in the okay. So with the bao, okay. This is bao. You see, this word has two parts, okay. So this is bottom part, is a person, okay, suspects. This is like the top part. This is the grasp, okay. So his meaning means ancient judges, okay. So ancient judge king about the criminal, okay. So we see this origin meaning. The criminal trial count, okay. The second meaning means to make public notice convey. Third meaning private relevant information. First meaning open media provide information to public. First meaning verb reaction response. Okay. Okay, this is another bao. This is like animal. So what? Leopard. Okay, leopard means bao. Okay. So like a beast. Okay. You see, a beast open his mouth. Okay. Big cats, 4 claws sharp good predator, small animals hiding prey, okay. Bao, leopard. It's another bao, it means exploit, okay, exploit. So his left part means fire, his right part means stop, sun exposure, and his meaning means medical treatment with strong fire, high temperature. Okay. Well, first meaning treatment with strong fire, high temperature. Second meaning due to high temperature, high pressure, suddenly burst. Third meaning suddenly, violently. Okay, it's another bao. It's another poo. Okay, it's not bao, it's poo. See the sun. His sunshine is very strong, okay. So this is oldest style. This is a deer, okay. This is a sun, okay. So his first oldest meaning means put a deer skin under the sun, hot sun, so dehydration. So then they change to this style, okay. It's like a rice, okay. Instead of deer, they just put the rice under the sand, okay. Exposure of the food. This is like a hand, okay. Use a hand to exposure the food, okay, under the hot sand. Okay, first meaning means to go far with sun, dry. Second meaning revealing, showing. Third meaning strong, rapid, crazy, impatient. First meaning means violent, abrupt manner. Okay. Fifth meaning sudden, violent weather. This is another bao, means hark. Another bao means hand. left part means hand, right part means package, wrapped. So he means without arms, hugged the entire body, swept the entire body. Okay, hard, hold. First meaning arms to be hard each other, throat. Second meaning hold on, feel. Third meaning length of the arm encircled holding capacity. There's another bao. See, this work has three parts. The top part is the rock, the house. The middle part is the shellfish, pure. The bottom part is like jade. Okay, he means the pure jade, another treasure. Okay. About first meaning, possession of the home pure jade, another treasures. The second meaning, precious, valued, and limited. Bao. It's another bao. So this word has three parts. Okay. The left top part means a knife. Okay, claws. The left top part means a short hand. The right part means a bird. So his meaning means a small head, neck, long claws bird. Okay. This bird can fly, but he can't walk. Okay. The meaning means a high neck, long hunting small bird. The second meaning means old peep, old prostitute. Okay. This is another bao. Okay. The top part means grass. The bottom part means carrying, protect. Okay. Top part meaning cottage, vegetation. The bottom part, love. Okay. The shelter, wing cover as large vegetation. This meaning if the wing as a cover, large vegetation. Second meaning shelter, protection. Bao. This is bao, means full. Okay, eat very full after eat. This left part means eat. This right part means carrying, protect the children, the child. Okay, so in the ancient, so we let the baby eat first. Okay, then pregnant woman, then men. So this is like eat. This is like carrying out your children. If you see, it's a child. Not enough. The food is not enough. So the adult let the baby eat first. Okay. So it's the meaning. First meaning to feed the baby enough. Second meaning appetite is completely satisfied. Third meaning meat adequate. First meaning sufficiently. It's another bao and protect. Okay. This word has two parts. Okay. The left part means like hold hand, hug with behind, from behind. The top part means a child. This is a child, infant. So his meaning means a child, to protect the child from his behind, avoid the accidents. Okay. The first meaning, in original meaning, hug the child in the back, caring for children, grow up. Second meaning, maintain without lose asylum. Okay, another word is bao. It means thin, very thin. Okay. Okay, basic meaning is not thin. Okay, top part means grass. Okay, bottom part means spread. Okay, he means growth of the spread of the grass. Okay, spread of growth of the grass. Okay, see, first meaning grass, spread. Second meaning dwarf, not high. See, not thick. Third meaning lack of content, light. Okay, dilute. First meaning contact. Fifth meaning near. Okay, 包. This is 包. This is the first one. See, the top part is grass. The bottom part is like the. Okay, this is wrapped in a bar, inside bar. Okay, so his meaning means open without the not opening plan. Okay, wrapped with the leaves barred. Okay, first meaning it means barred. Second meaning appearance of leaves wrapped zero. Okay, bao. It's another bao. So his outside, his two parts, outside, inside. Outside means membrane, okay, inside the person, like. So his meaning means feathers wrapped in the afterbirth, okay, in the membrane. So his first meaning the feathers wrapped in afterbirth. Second meaning bags. Containers made from flexible material. Third meaning loaded with a bag, muffled, accommodating. First meaning full responsibility, full use of the powers. Fifth meaning completely, definitely, absolutely. Sixth meaning qualifier, group bag. Another bao. So the outside is like per people, okay. Bao deformation, okay. Inside the pet, unborn feathers, shaped like pears. So this plus the meat, okay. This is meat. This is meat, okay. So his meaning means metal fetal parcels. Protect and provide nutrition action. Okay, film organization. With a film organization. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching.